Hello everyone, this is here Bandini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. In last session we have discussed exercise 1.4 and operation on real numbers, and today we will discuss rationalization and exercise 1.5. So let's start it. Let's understand with a simple example first. Suppose I have an expression like this: 1 upon square root 3. Why we are doing this rationalization? To make it simpler. अगर यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर है और इरेशनल नंबर है, इसको अगर मैंने रैशनल बना दिया तो ये प्रॉब्लम क्या होगी? थोड़ा सिंपल शो होगी, सिंपल दिखेगी. ठीक है, तो पर्पस हमारा यही है कि किसी एक्सप्रेशन को जिसमें इरेशनल नंबर आ रहे हो, डिनोमिनेटर इरेशनल हो, तो उसको हमें क्या रैशनल बनाना है ताकि वो प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा इजी शो हो. तो 1 अपॉन रूट 3, इसमें डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट 3. अब इसको हमें रैशनलाइज करना है. मीन्स इस एक्सप्रेशन में डिनोमिनेटर इरेशनल नंबर है, इस इरेशनल नंबर को हमें रैशनल बनाना है. तो क्या करना होता है, जो भी आपका डिनोमिनेटर है उसी से ही हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. कैसे? आप केवल डिनोमिनेटर में ही तो मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, हमें क्या है न्यूमरेटर पार्ट में भी सेम इरेशनल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तभी तो कैंसिल होकर 1 आएगा एंड 1 इंटू 1 अपॉन रूट 3 विल बी 1 अपॉन रूट 3 एज योर क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो अंडर रूट 3 अपॉन रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 इज 3. नाउ सी, its denominator is a rational number. So what we have done? We have made its denominator a rational number. So this process of converting the denominator which is irrational into a rational number. Okay, let's take another example. Now we have to rationalize its denominator. So with the same denominator we have to multiply on both part, numerator as well as denominator. So under root 3 plus 2 into under root 5 upon under root 5 into under root 5. Okay, so with each term this root 5 will be multiplied. So root 3 into root 5 plus 2 into root 5 upon root 5 into root 5 is what? 5. You have read the identity for real numbers. Here under root a into under root b, what it will be? Under root a into b means under root 3 into 5. Okay, and 2 is a rational into under root 5, it will be 2 under root 5. Now make it more simpler. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 under root 5 upon 5. इसके आगे अब आप और सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते because you have made its denominator a rational number. So this process of converting denominator which was a irrational number into a rational. Okay, so this was the example how to do rationalization or how to do rationalizing a denominator. Okay, now we will discuss exercise 1.5 based on already we have learnt. Okay, so question number 1 is classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So question फर्स्ट में आपको क्या करना है, आपको नंबर्स दिए गए हैं, उनको आपको क्लासीफाई करना है रैशनल एंड इरेशनल में. आपको बताना है कि कौन सा रैशनल होगा और कौन सा इरेशनल होगा. सो आई एम टेकिंग योर फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज 2 minus square root 5. 2 minus square root 5. Okay. So as we have discussed earlier, square root 5 is not a perfect square number. Okay. So it will be an irrational number. You are subtracting an irrational number from rational number. एक क्या है रैशनल है, दूसरा क्या है इरेशनल, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन हमेशा क्या होगा इरेशनल नंबर. सो दिस विल बी योर इरेशनल. ओके. नाउ सेकंड पार्ट इज 3 plus square root 23 in bracket minus square root of 23. As it given here, 3 plus square root 23 in bracket minus square root of 23. So first we will remove its bracket. Okay. So 3 plus square root 23 minus square root 23. Now you can see here plus under root 23 and minus under root 23. Both are same irrational number but with opposite sign. So it will give us 3 plus 0. Answer will be 3. So it's a rational number. Let's see third part, that is 2 under root 7 divided by 7 under root 7. So as you can see here, in numerator and denominator part, square root 7 is common, so they can be cancelled. So answer will become 2 by 7, and 2 by 7 is a rational number because it is in the form of P upon Q. Okay. Next is 1 upon root 2. Our fourth part is 1 upon root 2. Okay. Here you are dividing this 1 by an irrational number. 1 is a rational number, you are dividing by it an irrational number. So answer will be an irrational. अगर दो नंबर में एक रैशनल है और एक इरेशनल है, अगर आप सम कर रहे हैं, सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं, डिवीज़न कर रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं, आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज एन इरेशनल नंबर. सो नो नीड टू थिंक सो मच इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ओके. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज that is fifth, 2 pi. As we already have discussed, pi is an irrational number. Its value when we put 22 by 7, it seems like it will be a rational number, but exactly it is an irrational number, and you are multiplying a rational number with an irrational number, so answer will be your irrational. Okay, so this was your first question. Simplify each of the following एक्सप्रेशन. आपको डिफरेंट पार्ट्स दिए गए हैं जिनमें एक्सप्रेशन दिए गए हैं, उसमें आपको रैशनल एंड इरेशनल दोनों ही नंबर दे रखे हैं, उन पर कुछ ऑपरेशन अप्लाई किए जा रहे हैं. तो आपको उनको क्या करना है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है, मतलब उन एक्सप्रेशन को सिंपल वे में शो करना है. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 3 प्लस रूट 3 2 plus root 2. So first part is your in bracket 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Okay. 3 is here rational and under root 3 is an irrational. 2 is also rational and under root 2 is an irrational number. Okay. So what we have to do, as we have done in algebraic expression of class 7th and 8th, so that same we have to follow here. Okay. So first I have taken this bracket, so we will remove first this bracket. So 3 into, you have to multiply this 3 to each term of this bracket. So it means 3 into 2 plus 3 into square root 2 plus, now this term you have to multiply both of them. So root 3 into 2 plus, and root 3 multiply into root 2. As you can see here, each and every term here will be multiplied. Okay. You have multiplied 3 with 2 and square root 2, then you have multiplied this root 3 with 2 and square root 2. Now make it simpler. 3 2 is 6, 3 under root 2, 2 under root 3. Always rational part keep forward, okay, and irrational behind. And this is the identity, under root a into under root b. So it will be under root 3 into 2. Okay. So 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Now you can see here every term is different. Okay. Means this is a rational, these two are irrational with base different. Means under the square root numbers are different, so they cannot be added, plus under root 6. So this is your simplified expression. Okay. So our second part is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Okay. As you can see here, if I take this 3 as a and root 3 as b. Okay. So these expression will be like a plus b into a minus b, and this is an identity in your algebra too, and we have discussed it for real number also already. Okay. So which one, if this is this identity, if a under root b into a minus under root b, it will be a square minus b. Okay. So we have to use this identity in this question. So what will be the answer? A square, a is here 3, so 3 square minus b, b is here this 3, so 3 3s are 9 minus 3, your answer will be 6. Okay. So first we have to check which identity will be used. So as we have seen here, a plus under root b. Okay. A plus under root b, a minus under root b. So identity is a square minus b. Okay. So a is here 3 whole square minus b is here 3. Okay. So 3. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. This is your answer. So our next part is under root 5 plus under root 2 whole square. This is the identity, under root a plus under root b whole square. Okay. So this is a plus b plus 2 under root a into b. Okay. So we have to apply here this identity. Okay. So a means 5 plus b is here 2. Okay. Plus 2 under root a into b, a is here 5 and into 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 under root 5 2s are 10. Now you can't solve after this, because this is a rational and it's a irrational, they can't be sum up. Okay. So next, fourth part is root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Okay, so you can check here a under root a minus under root b, under root a plus under root b. So identity which is using here is root a minus root b equals in multiply under root a plus under root b. क्या होता है? a minus b. Okay, a minus b. So put the respective value. A is here 5 minus b is here 2. So it will be 3. Okay. Suppose if you don't remember identity, then you can do simple multiplication. You have to multiply each term of bracket with each term of another bracket. Okay, as we have done in first part. Okay, in the same way you can do this question too. Okay, so this was the question number 2. So friends, question number 5 is rationalize the denominators of the following. Okay, rationalize मतलब यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर आपका अगर स्क्वायर रूट में है, मतलब कोई रैशनल नंबर है, हो सकता हो कि सिंगल टर्म में हो सकता हो डबल टर्म हो या ट्रिपल टर्म हो, कितने भी टर्म्स हो सकते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू मेक डिनोमिनेटर as a rational number. Okay, so let's do question number 5, first part, that is 1 upon under root 7. Okay, so you have to rationalize its denominator, means you have to make this denominator a rational number. Okay, so 1 by root 7 is multiplied by with the same denominator, that is under root 7 on both parts. So it will be 1 into root 7 is root 7 upon root 7 into root 7. Here 7 is to power 1 by 2 and you are multiplying. Okay, so power will be added, so it will be 7. See here, 7 is a rational number, so you have changed this irrational denominator into a rational denominator. This is the rationalization. Okay, let's take second part, that is 1 upon root 7 minus 1 upon root 6. Okay, so see here denominator containing two terms, both are irrational. So what we do in this type of question, when your denominator contains two irrational number, so you have to multiply its conjugate. Conjugate means same expression but with opposite sign. कंजुगेट का मतलब क्या है कि आपके टर्म्स सेम रहेंगे लेकिन उनके बीच का साइन ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. अगर माइनस है तो प्लस होगा, प्लस है तो माइनस होगा. यहाँ पर आपको क्या है, दोनों टर्म के बीच में, दोनों ही रैशनल है, दोनों के बीच में माइनस साइन है, तो हमें ऑपोजिट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, इसका मतलब रूट 7 प्लस रूट 6. ओके, सेम एक्सप्रेशन का हम ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. रूट 7 प्लस रूट 6. ओके, root 7, 1 into this expression will be root 7 into root 6 and this will be, now see here, root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. Okay, it means here one of the given identity using a under root a minus under root b into under root a plus under root b. So identity is a minus b. A is here 7 minus b, b is here 6. So answer will be root 7 plus root 6 upon 7 minus 6 is 1. Now you can see denominator is 1, that is a irrational number. So you have rationalized this denominator into this. Next part is 1 upon square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Okay, here this expression, that is denominator containing two irrational number, means two terms. So you have to multiply with its conjugate. Conjugate means with terms will be same but with opposite sign, बीच का, in between sign. Okay, so plus square root of 2 into square root of 5 minus square root of 2. Okay, square root of 5 minus square root of 2. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? टर्म्स आपके सेम है, मतलब नंबर सेम है, लेकिन बीच का साइन चेंज हो गया. ये ऐसा हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि जैसा कि हमारी आइडेंटिटी में दे रखा है कि a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी, वॉट a इंटू बी, मीन्स वहाँ स्क्वायर रूट आ रहा है. स्क्वायर रूट a प्लस स्क्वायर रूट b इंटू स्क्वायर रूट a माइनस स्क्वायर रूट b. आंसर क्या आ रहा है? a माइनस बी. सो a इज़ नॉट अंडर स्क्वायर रूट, मीन्स आपका स्क्वायर रूट हट गया, और स्क्वायर रूट हटा मतलब आपका नंबर क्या होगा? नॉर्मल फॉर्म में होगा, मतलब नेचुरल फॉर्म में होगा, मतलब रैशनल होगा. इसलिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं? कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. सो 1 into this expression, the same expression will be here under root a plus under root b, मतलब under root a minus under root b. So answer will be a minus b. A is here 5 minus 2. So your expression is 3. Now you can check its denominator, that is 3, that is a rational number. Okay, so let's do next part, that is 4th. 1 upon square root 7 minus 2. Okay, here denominator contains one irrational number and another one is rational. So in this type what we have to do? 1 upon root 7 minus 2. क्या करना है यहाँ पर? आपको डिनोमिनेटर को क्या, किस में, रैशनल नंबर बनाना, और यहाँ पर क्या है? एक इरेशनल नंबर दे रखा है. तो जब भी दो टर्म कंटेन करे डिनोमिनेटर, तो आपको उसके कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. कॉन्जुगेट मीन्स टर्म आपके सेम होंगे लेकिन बीच का जो साइन होगा वो अपोजिट होगा. ठीक है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर माइनस है तो हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? रूट 7 प्लस 2. रूट 7 प्लस 2. Okay, so 1 into this expression will be the same, and using identity under root a minus b into under root a plus b. क्या होता है? a is here 7. I am writing directly under root 7 into 7 under root 7, it will be 7 and 2 whole square. So root 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 4. So it will be root 7 plus 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, so you have changed this denominator into this rational denominator. So you have rationalized it. Okay, here the identity I am using, writing here root under root a plus b into under root a minus b is equals to a minus b square. Okay, so this was all about for today's session. If you have any query, doubts regarding this session, please ask me on comment section, and In my upcoming next session, we will discuss laws of exponent and exercise 1.6, that is the last exercise of this chapter, number system. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you.